Stop recording blurry, choppy, and laggy footage in OBS. By default, OBS comes configured with settings that actually ruins your video quality. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix that in under 5 minutes so you can record and stream like an absolute pro. Even if you are on a low-end PC, let's jump right into it. First things first, get OBS installed, open it up and head straight down to the setting in the bottom right corner. Click on the video tab. Your base canvas resolution needs to match your actual monitor size, usually 1920 x 1080p. Now here is a pro tip for output resolution. If you want YouTube to give you a high quality playback, set this to 1560 x 1440, even if you only have a 1080p monitor. Now set your downscale filters to land course and common FPS value to 60. Step 2 will be recording setting. Hop over the output tab. At the very top you will see output mode. Change it from simple to advanced. This unlock the good stuffs for you. Click the recording tab. Set your recording format to MKV. Never use MK4. If OBS crash in mid record, you lose the entire file. For the encoder setting, go to streaming again and encoder file. For your encoder, choose NVIDIA NAVIC if you have a NVIDIA GPU or AMD HW if you have a AMD GPU. Never choose 264 unless you have a super high end CPU and no dedicated GPU for your PC. Under the encoder settings, select CBR for your streaming and CQP for your recording. Bitrate should be 6000 kbps. It is the standard bitrate for your streaming. If you want to change it, you can, but I prefer not to change this. Step 3 will be audio setting. Go to your audio tab. Pick your microphone under the mic auxiliary audio, just like this. Then click apply and OK. Click at the mic auxiliary like that. Add a fill click on the plus button. Add a noise suppression like this and set it to RN noise just like this, and then add a limiter filter and go to the limiter filter and set the threshold to 3 decibel. The final step will be sense and source setup. Now that settings are locked in, let's build your workplace. Under source, click the plus button. To capture your screen, add a display capture for entire screen recording or game capture if you are playing games. Pro tips: game captures use way less performance. For add a display capture, click the add new display capture. Capture method will be automatic and display will be your monitor, primary or secondary monitor. Just click it and it will be appear in your source. Add your video capture device for your webcam. Resize it, drag the red corners and hold Alt, dragging to crop out any messy background room like this. Your OBS Studio is completely optimized for crispy, lag-free and high-quality content. If this saved your time, hit that like button so more creators like you can find it. It will be a help for them. And if you wanna stream on multiple platforms from OBS, subscribe me right now because I am dropping a step-by-step guide how you can stream on multiple platforms for free by OBS in the next video.